Hi, I'm Dr. Odhwani, and Dr. Pradeep Sarkar is my co-author on this project. Our project is baseline evaluation of diversity, equity, and inclusion notion in the students at a Doctor of Chiropractic program, a cross-sectional survey. Diversity, equity, and inclusion outlines a culture where everyone feels valued and respected, have equal access to opportunities and resources. According to United States Census, the population in the United States is becoming more diverse. And chiropractic students, they belong to different socioeconomic status, ethnicity, geography, gender, disability, age, sexual orientation, and education background. Therefore, the notion of diversity, equity, and inclusion in students must be evaluated at the chiropractic institutions. Chiropractic Educator Research Forum in 2021 specifically focused on DEI. Our objective is to assess the notion of diversity, equity, and inclusion at the Doctor of Chiropractic program at Parker University. Parker University commitment to diversity and inclusion is listed on its website. It states that Parker University does not discriminate based on race, color, sex, national and ethnic origin, age, sexual orientation, religion, or disability. Our method was a cross-sectional pilot survey which was conducted among 300 students of trimester 3 and 7 from September 15 to September 22, 2022. 15 questions, web-based, self-administered survey containing 5 items each on demographics, inclusion, and equity was implemented. All questions were optional, most using 5-point Likert scale. RedCap software was used to implement, collect, and analyze data. Results on demographic, 16% students, they completed the survey. If you look at the age group, 88% students were from 21 to 30 years old age, 10% were 31 to 40 years, and 2% were 18 to 20 years. Sex, females were 55%, males were 43%. Sexual orientation, most of the students were heterosexual, 84%. Others were 0 to 8%. Gender identity, females were 53%, males 41%, others were 0 to 2%. Race and ethnicity, Caucasian were 53%, Hispanic Latino were 36.7%, African American and Asian American were 6.1% each, and Asian Native Americans were 4.1%. Equity results. These results where students, they responded agreed or strongly agreed, combined results. So students, when they were asked that were they treated with respect, 90% they agreed and strongly agreed. Opinion valued 67%, had opportunities for academic success were 80%. Sufficient resources to foster the success of diverse student 67%, valued fairly and equitably in the classroom and labs by the faculty was 84%. Inclusion results, again here they were agreed and strongly agreed. So students valued as an individual 63%, belongs to Parker University were 63%. Opinion is valued at the Student Senate, 56%, and overall satisfaction to DEI was 78%. Result inclusion. This was the question asked, have you felt discriminated at Parker University? Approximately 80% said no. 12.2% said yes, and 8.2% they chose not to respond. So this slide seems to be really important, because if we combine yes and choose not to respond, it comes out to be 20%. Conclusion and discussion. Students positively perceive the notion of DEI. Data collected can be used as a baseline for understanding the present environment at the Parker University. DEI implementation at a chiropractic institutions can help develop culturally competent university environment. DEI notion can change the experience of students from all racial and ethnic groups. Since 2012, the Association of Chiropractic Colleges have identified the importance of DEI in chiropractic profession. Limitation of this study: sample size was very small. No questions on physical disability were asked. Future direction: the aim is to extend future DEI survey to all trimester students, faculty, and staff. Identify the need for a strategic implementation of DEI in institutional culture. Integrating DEI notion in the vision and mission of the university. These are our references. Thank you to Parker University and Parker University Research Department.